Yeah, hi guys. Earlier our topic was I did here actually static routing. Now I am explaining you default routing. So first of all, I am removing the before configuration, static configuration. So here I did the static configuration, static IP route, copy and configuration terminal, global configuration terminal mode, then used here paste. Before that no and no. If you are using no command, it means the the configuration was removed. Again check here, show running configuration. Check here, earlier it was configuration is there, now removed, and in this router also check. Before that I am showing you show IP route. Check here, routing table we are getting, see static routings we are getting here, three routes, 1 2 3. For particular route, if you want to check, show IP route static. See, three static routes I am getting here. So I'm removing this, show running config, then just copy from all here. We'll do one by one. Config T, and first one is copy, no, paste, copy, no, and paste, and third one also copy, no, paste here. Now every configuration gone. Show IP route. Take here, in this routing table, no static routes. Show IP route static. No static routes. And this routing table, what I did in this configuration, only the connectivity is there, only interface configuration till done. Show IP interface brief. With the help of, you can check this command, IP addresses. See, all are up, and no protocols are running here. So IP protocols, no protocols are running here. So I'm planning to do default routing, and this routing I did a default routing. So show IP route static. Take here, only default routing is there. Okay, no issue. So for default routing, it means we have a formula like we'll use for router configuration mode, global configuration, we should have to move, then IP route, whichever destination IP we have to reach, there will use 0.0.0.0 and network ID is 0.0.0 and destination subnet mask also 0.0.0, because of we are doing as a default routing. Okay, default routing. Statically we should have to do the default routing in the sense statically we it means administrator will manually doing that also, same thing, static. Fine, config p, and first of all my destination and if I want to reach here, then destination I don't know. Whenever the destination is unknown, then we'll do the static routing, sorry, default routing. Like you have here one more ISP. ISP is connected to Google. The Google IP address is like Google server. The IP address is 8.8.8.8. We don't know the Google IP address, so we need a default routing that time only. Fine. Configure here default routing. Just IP route 0.0.0.0 and subnet also 0.0.0 and next hop IP address is this one 12.1.1.1 for this interface. 12.1.1.1 for I want to reach on this destination. If any destination is there in any other network also is there, that is sufficient for this next hop. If any other network is connected here, like some other network is connected, LAN network, so for this is fine for next hop for this router. We can reach, like you can assume here Google is there, ISP with ISP, we can reach the destination also. Fine. For this destination we configure, and for this destination also we should have to PV IP address. IP route 0.0.0.0 and subnet mask 0.0.0 and next hop IP address is here. This one is the next hop IP address also. So IP route, so IP interface brief. This is our next hop IP address 2. Two 3.1.1.2 plus 24. 3.1.1.2 sufficient for this. Now you can check show IP route. See, destination means S means statically configured as a default routing, star in the sense. Now checking this router, we haven't configured till. So in this case we can reach out any networks, but we should have to give a next hop IP address is this one. Global configuration mode, IP route, then 0.0.0.0 and subnet mask 0.0.0 and next hop IP address to 3.1.1.1. It's sufficient. Now check it, show IP route. Check here. The problem is whenever you are configuring default routing, it's unsecure. Basically it is unsecure. See, I am trying to ping from this PC to this PC. We'll check. Our source address is 192.168.1.2 and destination IP address is 192.168.3.3. Ping 192.168.3.3. It's enable to ping and trace out. Trace at 192.168.3.3. Yes. See, one packet drop because of this router is doing packet drops because sometimes of this router, see what happened. Our next hop IP address, sorry, default gateway of this router is same network 192.168.1. The default gateway we reached. Then once the packet reaches this, next hop IP address is this one. The first packet, the packet is dropped. It means timeout, request timeout. But next packet is reached. 2 3 dot 1 dot 1 dot the next IP address of this one, and finally we reached our destination. It means we got here for up to here, no issue. We configured as a default gateway. So sometimes this ISP router will provide us some packet drops because we configured default router. That router don't know how the packet drop I want to push here or here. That is the reason packet drop. Then we got the packet here 23.1.1.2 and it will be moved reach to destination. Finally got the destination, and quick for verification done, and we'll check the routing table now for every router will check the routing table. Show IP route here. Next hop IP address this one. This router having 2 IP routes. Show IP route. We have here 2 IP routes. Well, if you try here pinging from here, ping 192.168.3.1, packet will be dropped because of this router is doing. Better will configure here static routing, then it will be work. Here I configured as a default routing. You can check here both are in default routing. That is the reason the packet drop will be happen. If you are trying lab, then better you will try as a here configure as a this router static. Then this router as a default and these rows are so default. It is okay, fine, no issue on that. Okay, if you're trying from here also, it will packet drops will be happen. Ping 192.168.1.2. Even though if I will ping the next this gateway also same problem. First packet only drop, not because of ARP. Some packet drops off because of this router. Okay, for this video, this much only. Thank you for watching videos.